Hi everyone, this evening we are at the Zoological Society of London and we're here for the annual Stamford Raffles Lecture, which today is being given by Dr Claire Spotteswoode of the University of Cape Town and the University of Cambridge, and she's going to be talking to us about the exciting topic of coevolution of species. So the way that different species influence each other's evolution as they interact with each other. So let's go inside and have a look and see what's going on.
Yeah. Well, it's been an amazing evening here at the Zoological Society. There was an awards ceremony, so a lot of very high-profile zoologists and biologists and people that contributed to the discipline were recognised, which I thought was amazing. And the lecture by Claire was fantastic, but also a message for anybody sitting at home that wants to kind of like expand their horizons and engage on their own lifelong learning journey, which is what Akkadium is all about, really. To look around in your community. If you live in London, you've got it made because you've got amazing societies like the Zoological Society, but wherever you are, there's bound to be something you can become a part of to broaden your horizons, to learn new things, to attend lectures and courses, meet people like here this evening. It's been absolutely amazing. I hope you feel a little bit inspired to go out and start your journey in lifelong learning. It's definitely worth it.